All right, guys. Today we're going to take a little walk. Traveling into, we are in Bataan, visiting a friend of ours, and we're going to take a little walk. He is doing some procedures for a place that he's going to get licensed. So we're going to take a quick walk into the barangay here.
Put him back over there.
But the area here is, you know, pretty stunning views if you look in the back here. This camera doesn't really pick it out, but with the mountain ranges in the back. And down there is the Alexa water park. They've been closed for a long time, and we are going to go on a walk. How far is it?
About 2 miles.
2 miles. So this is Eunice, huh?
This is Janice. This is Casa Pepito.
Casa Pepito. All right, they have quite a bit of work to do. Casa Pepito, when did they start operating?
After me, believe it or not, but they started operating again maybe a week or 2 back.
All right.
In fact, it's quite well done, the building. It's like multiple different rooms. So you might have one room that sleeps 2, 4 or 6. So it's quite clever. It's on 3 floors.
Right.
It's only drawback, but I've got a bit of a deal with them. It doesn't have an in-ground pool at the moment.
Oh, okay.
I think they started and then they stopped, and they started and they stopped. But they have maybe 4 or 6 nipper huts further out towards the beach.
Right.
And some sitting areas, so it's actually really rather nice, but it's the bog standard of build a block facing either your neighbour or a car park,
Right.
as opposed to facing the beach.
Right.
Now this is all Eunice.
So this is Eunice.
And this building here, I like this building. I like the fact that it's elevated up 1 floor.
Right.
And it's a function room up and a function room down. This is their pool, which is an above ground inflatable pool.
Above ground and inflatable.
Yep. So that's not so bad. And then it becomes more populated further down. In the UK we used to have things called Nissan huts. And
Right.
it reminds me of Nissan huts. But it's well appointed with all the right stuff, you know, nice flower beds, green areas, sitting out places and dining. You mean, you can't have everything. Every resort, this is what I mean about the nipper huts. You see the not nipper huts, Nissan huts.
Oh yeah.
This is what they used to build in airfields in the
All right.
UK.
So yeah, so you have the seating areas, and
They're really
cool.
rather nice,
Yeah,
considering.
it's pretty cool.
Yeah. Right, we're going down here.
Oh,
We're off in the jungle.
now we're going to the jungle, guys. Come on. Interesting.
Oh yeah. Watch out for crocodiles.
Yeah, you have some crocs here.
You get them big lizard jobs, right?
Right.
But they're not big because they get caught and eat.
They get caught and eaten.
Yeah.
The lizards. All right. But you see the typical Filipino style. There's garbage everywhere.
Yeah, the national flower of the Philippines, Jollibee, McDonald's, KFC wrappers. And the worst part about it, although it's actually quite clever for the local Filipinos, is these individual serving packets, coffees, sweets and everything. They all come in a sort of, I don't know if it's right, cellophane or whatever
Right.
wrapper. So when you've got whatever goodies might be inside, away goes the wrapper.
Yeah.
Hey man, looking good.
Hello.
You're off to shoot somebody.
Hi.
Hello. All right. So now I guess now we're coming down to the barangay area.
We're in a small encampment here.
Right.
If you like, my side of the river. If the river's running behind.
Oh, okay.
Oh, big white poncho.
There's a smashed down house.
Yep, and they're putting this one up. Pretty nice too.
And what's out there on the beach? I see some bamboo.
That's the sort of, that's why they blocked up this river. They're like the Pala places. It's a bit of a shame really, because the river used to flow, clean everything up, and now it's a bit stuffed up. But I mean, obviously if it wants to flow, it flows.
It flows, yeah.
But it does cause a bit of a backup further upstream. So I know they're doing all right. I think this place is amazing. Negmayon is a really nice, what I would call typical village. They painted up everything in these colours to
Purple, green,
purple, white. It was just for Christmas.
Yeah.
And these boards are the width of a tricycle, so you can drive a tricycle across here.
Right.
I wouldn't be so sure about bringing over a vehicle.
Nah, I don't think I would drive a car over here.
But they sure drive tricycles over it.
Right.
You gonna win? In fact, here comes one. Look, behind.
Yeah. He works. It works for him.
Meron akong ganun kay Aaron.
Chinese New Year now.
Chinese New Year?
Yeah, end of this month I think it is.
Right.
So that's what all the red lanterns are for. This is all the decoration they did for Christmas.
Right.
So everything was painted. So we got purple and white here, yellow and white going that way.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Yellow, white, purple, white.
But this is what I would classify as a typical Filipino village.
Right.
It's actually unspoilt to a certain extent.
Yeah. No, it looks like a pretty nice community.
It's nice and clean. There's a large emphasis on
This is
recycling.
Nagbalayong, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, all the bins, they're everywhere.
Biodegradable. Yeah, you see that?
So, I mean, they have pride in, they don't have everything, do they? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But they have pride in what they've got and they present it very well. Look, it's pristine.
Yeah. It's,
Another load of recyclables,
yep.
whatnot.
And they do it. very well. Yeah, so it's about a good 1 kilometer walk or something.
We're nearly there.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the hall here, right?
Over there. A bit further, yeah.
Yeah. But not very far. It's amazing how they painted every single house with the purple and white.
Yeah. Well, I've got to put my mask on, I forgot.
Well, we all have masks, right?
But this road's a purple and white road, and there'll be an orange and white road, blue and white road or something.
So on the other block down,
You'll see.
on the other side, it's little.
Up here at the crossroads,
Yeah, there you go. I see.
you'll see that it's
Way up there.
colour.
That's
I think they went to a tremendous amount of effort, and it's done for the kids
right.
to make it like fantasy land.
Right.
It's brilliant,
Yeah.
you know.
Even flower pots are like painted in colors. Pretty amazing. Oh, finally some nice shade here.
Yeah, something to do with this tree.
Yeah. Where are these trees?
A big one.
Oh, we don't know the.
It's a tree.
It's a tree,
It's a tree.
and it's big.
But then you get quite big places. I think this is something to do with a church or something. It's
Yeah.
hospice or something.
Almost looks like it.
I
Yeah.
don't really know, but there seems to be an awful lot of rooms in one spot, so it could be.
Right.
It's a bit big for a regular bog standard house, put it that way.
Right.
Anyway, there we are.
All right.
Orange.
Here's the barangay.
So look, orange and white.
Now, so we're getting into orange.
Green, I think maybe. Green
And
white.
and then you have green back down there, and that concludes this little walk. And I'm gonna go into the barangay here, and we're just gonna get some paperwork done and there. So thank you for walking with us, and God bless, and we'll see you next video. Bye bye.